Greetings, Phil Thompson here from streamingchurch.tv, here to show you how to use our online trimming video editor. So first thing you want to do is go to your streamingchurch.tv admin control panel, click on media management, go over to other media and click the trim video file. So this is exactly what it is. This presupposes that you have already done some streaming video and your archive has been uploaded to the on-demand server we provide with your premium account. And so here's a little list of the videos that are on the on-demand server that we are kind of using for this example. And I'm going to choose Phil's demo here. And once I choose it, I will select the video, and it's going to load the video up here, and it's going to start playing it with audio. And so just for the sake of description here, I'm going to stop it real quick, and it's already muted over here. So you've got some controls here I want to show you. This is obviously the video player control. What you're really interested in is the actual scrubber, which is what this is right here. And then there's the actual trimmer. So the idea behind this is that it's very simple. Video editor online, what you want to do is find a place where you want to trim your actual video and move over to where you want to cut off a part, like maybe you want to cut off the worship part for the archive and start it where the actual speaking starts, the message starts from the pastor, and then if you want to trim after he's done, trim the ending. That's really what this accomplishes. And so we're going to kind of show you how this works. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and just start it again, and then I'm going to go over here and use the scrubber, and I'm going to go to where I want to trim it. So I'm going to bypass the music part here, the worship part, and I'm going to go over here to the actual message where he comes up here, and I'm going to go right there, and then I'm going to move the actual trimmer to match this up. And just a little note here, depending on the size of your video, it might take a little while. The processing and all that starts. This is kind of a smaller video. So here's where I want to actually start the message at 59 seconds into the video, and then I'm going to trim it. I'm just going to, what I want to do now is actually move the scrubber and just kind of move this over to where I want to stop the actual message. So let's just say, for example, I want to stop it here. And then I will go ahead and take the trimmer and move it over here to where that would go to. You notice over here on the far right side, I'm going to match it up to 325. There it is to the far right side, 325 right there. So that's where it's going to be trimmed. So I'm just going to click now, trim the video. So it's going to process it. It's going to trim it. And it may take a few moments depending on how large the video is, but once it does so, let's see if I can move this up there. Now it's done. Now again, this was a very short video, so the processing didn't take long. Results may vary depending on the size of your video. So it says here the processing has been completed, and the edited video can be found in your video media files as Phil's demo trimmed. So the name of the video, if you remember right, when I pulled it up, was Phil's demo.mp4. Now that video is still going to be there, but now it's going to be Phil's demo trimmed. So that's the original still there, but now this one has been added, Phil's demo _trimmed, which tells you it was trimmed. And just a little example of that, we can go back over here to media management, and we can go to media vault, and I'm just going to show you here where it's at, and this has been previously uploaded. Drag this over here a little bit, MP4 file, let that load, and it will come up and show you that the trimmed file is now on there, and there it is. And if you click the bottom line here, you see here's the one that I uploaded earlier, and this is the trimmed one. So there you have it. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to us, streamingchurch.tv, and we'll be happy to help you. I'm Phil Thompson. I hope that you have a great day.